What you doing? I'm Aloysius. What's your name?
Umbrella.
All right, let's do this. Let's work together to fight the sun off.
Okay.
You look good.
Here goes nothing.
Guys, welcome to another day in a life. Today I will be having a date with my husband to the beach, and we're going to Grand Anse, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get there, because I know, like me, like I was having a trouble getting like around with the bus because I just didn't know how, but now I do. So I want to show you guys how to get there. So right now I'm on my way to town, and in town you can find a lot of the buses that you need to take depending on where you're going. I'm telling you guys right now that in order to get to town you need to take the one bus, and most of the time you can ask the conductors, are you going here, are you going there, and they will tell you yes or no. First stop is taking my daughters to summer camp because they want to go instead of going to the beach. So love you. Love you. Have a good day. Bye. Today I am walking to town because I get to save my money. Bus is $2.50 per person EC, so I prefer to take the walk. So then today all I have to do is pay $5, well $2.50 to get to Grand Anse rather than $5. Made it to Grand Anse, and the stop I got out of is near the mall.
Good morning to everyone. Morning. I'm about to get something inside of Spiceland Mall. Breakfast and some eggs. So stay tuned.
So this is how it looks. So this is the mall, close to the bank. Thank you.
Tired.
Welcome to the mall.
Oh. You good? I come home to get breakfast.
Tomato is $3.79.
That's cheap.
2 is $7.86.
To something US, yeah, but that's like good quality tomatoes, babes. That's good quality tomatoes. I need breakfast. How much are that?
$25 per pound.
25 a pound. You better want egg.
Price for this almond milk was $36.
But I'm gonna show them what I have.
So I'm with him now, my husband.
Give me a kiss. Yeah.
He got breakfast at the mall, at the supermarket.
IGA. And now I'm gonna have, don't come for me in the comments, it's 2 white pieces of chicken breast from uh, KFC, but I guess they're not open as yet.
So let's get away from there.
So I guess you have to come back another time. No, I lied, they open.
Oh no. No.
Let me know more.
I don't like going to KFC.
Yeah, chicken breast.
KFC takes too long.
Morning.
KFC.
So the capital.
Made it to the
Beach.
beach. Grand Anse Beach. You say what it is.
No, you're right. Grand Anse Beach. I say it not differently because I have an accent, but it's Grand Anse.
Okay.
People say Grand Anse. That's how we do it.
That's what he's eating. Bake and eggs for his breakfast. And he also had KFC. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Thank God. Amen.
Look at the penguin. My clothes off.
Whoa.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. My husband just fed the birds the pigs. They enjoyed it. They're waiting for some more.
I might eat them instead this time.
Clothes off. Now I got on my bathing suit. I'm not naked, everyone. Just to let you know.
so blue. I just wanna make you.
Hello, I'm back.
Enjoy the water?
Yeah.
Maybe, maybe not.
The water is really rough, and I feel
I love it.
seasick.
I love it rough. She don't. She feeling seasick. So guess what? How you liking Grenada so far, babes?
I like it.
You like home?
Yeah.
Oh.
Does that feel comfortable laying like that?
Yeah. You wanna try it?
No.
So you put it back in the center of the tree stump, and you cross your foot like this, like you're on a almanac or whatever they call that thing.
Hammock.
Hammock.
Remember the guy with the hammock on the bus?
No, on the train.
Oh,
Oh, the bus too as well. Oh, hi, how you doing? I'm Aloysius. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name, ma'am? Are you enjoying your stay?
my name is Umbrella.
Umbrella? Well, I'm bruh. And you love?
Umbrella.
Alright, let's do this. Let's work together to fight the sun off.
Okay.
You look very delicious. I thought you wasn't going to do it.
On the tree. Very interesting.
$10 for that,
It
miss.
feels good though.
$10 for that, miss. Welcome to Grenada. I always say on everything I love, don't take drugs.
No, that's not what I'm asking.
So you tell me tell the kids stay away from drugs.
No, I said tell them about taking the bus.
Oh yes, it's
How to take the bus.
Alright, so depending on where you're going, like when you go to the terminal, you look up, and they would have a sign. Where you're going, the number of the bus have a number, so you have to remember the number. The cost is $2.50 from St. George's area, like from let's say the city to like say St. Paul's, Grand Anse, Dabo, River Road, Tempe, Montparnasse, all these places, $2.50. Like shuttles, and I think maybe like $7 or $6, something like that, $6.50 or something like that. And Granville, yeah, Guave, maybe $5, I think. On Sundays, buses don't really run, but only on Grand Anse buses, and the cost of that is $3. I would say in US it would be like maybe $1 and maybe 50 cents, I guess.
But you have to have EC
But you
money.
must have EC, because the point to note about the US, people kind of skeptical for taking US, because the reason is the banks have issues with the rip edges. So most places you go, they might look at the edges of the US. If it's ripped, they're not going to take it. And you have to be you yourself have to be very responsible in regards to your money and where you're getting it. Like when you come to travel, you go to the bank to get it. The bank wouldn't have any rip money. They wouldn't give you any rip money. So,
And go to Royalty Bank to change your money, because it's not a private bank.
Royal what bank? Royalty?
Yeah.
Oh, I never heard of that one before. Yeah, some of the banks we have. So some of the banks we have here is banks. We have here is Republic Bank.
Oh yeah, Republic Bank.
Republic Bank, Co-op Bank, CB, Antigua Bank. I can't remember the name, but it's Antiguan Bank, ACB or something like that.
That's private.
So yeah.
Don't go there. They don't go. I don't go there.
Why? What's the reason for that? What's the reason for that?
They charge you $5
For what?
for exchanging your money, and then
What?
also they want to make sure you come with a passport, which is okay to come with the passport but they want to take $5.
So they charge you $5. You didn't tell me about that, babes. So every time you go and change your money, you charge you $5 in the bank.
ACB Bank.
Don't go to ACB Bank, but go to Republic Bank.
That's why I go
But ACB Bank is not Republic Bank, babes. ACB
I know,
Bank
I know.
is, yeah.
I got sand on my face.
I'm tired.
Let's go so you can sleep. Leaving the beach, and we left the beach actually. And I want to go to this place called Shadow Bitty.
Again. She like the doubles.
Yes.
So we're gonna double up. Double up, double up, double up. Good. Feel about getting them out of it. And what was it? What's the name of it?
Double?
Oh, yeah. You're getting free with double this time. Let's see how it goes. You hungry?
Oh, you can show. Shopping here. Now we're going to back to town, because that's where you get the buses to go other places, like home. Right?
Yep. Alright. Alright.